See, now you're on camera. Now are you going to do it? What? What's that? Good girl. Don't chew my cushion. No. No, no, no. The good stuff. Is that good stuff? Are you pretty cute? No bite. No bite. Good girl. You gotta push it just a little, don't you? Don't bite my cushion. Don't bite. Big yawn. Nope, 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 nope. Don't bite my mattress. Don't bite my cushion. Maggie, no. No, you get so sassy. No. Don't bite my cushion. You can bite your bone. Woof. That's really loud. You're on camera. I don't even know what, do you? You growling at me? Are you growling at me? Okay, Maggie.
Side of that is that really how out of the box did you go? You went for character, but you didn't.
Maggie, say goodbye.